extinction of the dinosaurs, an event that paved the foundation of human history and changed the world. These animals, prominent for hundreds of years, slowly faded from existence due to a sudden, unexplainable event, allowing us to seize power over the globe. You will embark on a journey to find out how they went extinct and the possible outcome of them staying alive. But before we dive into this, let's clear up some common myths and misconceptions about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs and humans never lived at the same time. Dinosaurs are said to have died out 59 million years before Homo sapiens came about. Secondly, dinosaurs did not all live on the same landmass. They were around after Pangea split into two separate landmasses called Laurasia and Gondwana. All dinosaurs lived on land. No dinosaur could swim or fly, although dinosaurs are believed to be the ancestors of birds. Dinosaurs, by definition, are diapsids. This means that the dinosaur has two holes in the rear of the upper part of its skull, and two holes behind its eyes. Swimming and flying creatures at that time did not have these characteristics. Here's a fun fact: dinosaurs did not have the ability to roar or growl. There are difficulties in taking down a dinosaur, which is why they were so dominant in the first place. First of all, they had tough skin, which would be very hard to penetrate. Secondly, they were massive, some were the size of a house. Lastly, they carried diseases, which killed other animals whose immune systems couldn't handle the disease. In fact, the Tyrannosaurus rex is believed to have had a diseased bite to poison its prey. There are many theories as to how the dinosaurs went extinct. One theory is that there was a massive chain of volcanic eruptions. This could have done two things: spew enough ash into the air to block out the sun and cool everything off, or melt the dinosaurs and set many forests on fire to diminish the food supply. The problem with cooling things off was that the dinosaurs were cold-blooded. This meant that the dinosaurs needed heat to work, and there was no heat. Another theory of how the dinosaurs went extinct is that a giant meteor hit the Earth. Several things could have happened here, and they could have happened sequentially. First off, the heat of the meteor entering and hitting the Earth could have vaporized a lot of dinosaurs and burned off plant life. The massive amount of dust spewed into the air could have blocked out the sun and caused the temperature to plummet. Or the meteor would have done the opposite and caused a massive drought, which would malnourish the dinosaurs into extinction. The meteor's impact could have made massive tsunamis that flooded the dinosaurs and/or destroyed their habitat. The chemicals and toxins that the meteor may have carried just might have caused acid rains, which would have burned the skin and caused the dinosaurs to suffer a pretty long, drawn-out, and painful death. Some other theories of extinction exist. A natural ice age, which is part of the Earth's natural cycle, could have come and frozen dinosaurs to death. A supernova close to the Earth could have exploded and gave the dinosaurs radiation poisoning and/or burned them to a crisp. Maybe a prehistoric disease killed them all. One theory suggests that our tiny ancestors fed on the eggs of the dinosaurs faster than could be produced. Whichever theory is correct, we must be glad that the extinction of the dinosaurs happened. If the dinosaurs were allowed to continue, problems for mankind would definitely ensue. Due to their tough skin, any spears made by our prehistoric ancestors would probably only annoy the dinosaurs. With their massive size, they would probably crush us underfoot. Any buildings we made would beat them all. They would eat our food supply, making it hard for us to sustain a sizable population. And the list goes on. But if they had let us evolve to the point that we are at today, we could effortlessly win. There probably would be much damage to the environment, though. In conclusion, the extinction of the dinosaurs was a good thing. The dinosaurs should have reigned for millions of more years to come, preventing us from dominating. But one random event, a mistake if you will, brought them to an abrupt end. Humans evolved with little talent, and it is truly an event that changed the world. We are sentient, born of mistake.